Hi guys, it's your boy Habib Educate, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 3 good places to find jobs. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you will be the first person to be notified. But if you will be here with us, welcome back. As I said, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 good places to find jobs here in Ghana. Now, yesterday I did a video about how I nearly got kidnapped. So if you've not watched that video, here is it. You can watch it out. Be safe and be protected, because in this world now things are getting worse. But before I show you the places, previously we used to find jobs opportunity on Facebook, where you go, there is a tab. When you hit at the top right hand side of the Facebook platform, especially your profile, you are going to see a lot of things like pages, you're going to see groups, you are going to see events and other stuff. And as you survey through, you come across jobs. So jobs, you hit it up and you can find a lot of jobs opportunity in Ghana here, where Ghanaians post job vacancies. If you are in Nigeria also, you'll find where Nigerians post job vacancies. And wherever you find yourself in this world, you will find by all means a place where your people, or employers in your country, publish job vacancies for employees to apply and be offered those kind of jobs. But if you check lately, you will survey through the Facebook platform, but you won't find any Facebook tab or any job tab for employees. Now, I'm not shocked of Facebook removing job vacancies and job offers and those kind of things on their platform. You know why? Because of late they've been fraudsters who are trying to be job owners. So whenever you apply, they will tell you or give you their location and give you numbers as well. You go there and meet them, and it's either one, they will tell you to pay a huge sum of money; two, you'll be fraud, or they'll tell you to send money first. But why should you send your money to someone you don't know just because you want job? No, we don't do that. Okay, we don't do that. And sorry to all the people that got fraud through these processes. I know it's not their fault. Before I will show you the job opportunities, I have a lot of friends some few months ago who came from Nigeria. There are about 13 of them. And do you know the reason why they came here in Ghana? They applied for a job vacancy from Nigeria to Ghana. So when they came, thinking they are coming to play football, yeah, it's kind of like a football job, you understand? So they came in their numbers thinking they are coming to play football because they believe in Ghanaian footballs. When they arrived, imagine what it was, or guess what it was. It was QNet offer. They told them to bring their money. They told them they'll do this, they'll do that. QNet, come on. If QNet is a good business and legit one, people in Africa are making it illegal. They are using that as an opportunity to fraud the people of the continent. That's not fair, guys. You should stop that. Now, let's head on to, and sorry to my Nigeria friends who have been fraud. Now, it was a problem for them to go back to Nigeria. That's just by the way. So, if you go to, gg.com, just enter the search tab and hit on jobs. You're going to find a lot of job opportunities there, and you apply, check, but be careful, because still we thought of maybe fraudsters who can take advantage of that. So where you're applying for, you should be careful and make sure their platform or website, or maybe after applying, go to Google and do a lot of research about that job also before maybe you can board a car to there and maybe submit application and other stuffs. So after gg.com, you can also apply on Tonaton, both on their website and the application. You can download the application on the Play Store, but for the App Store, I don't know much about that, or I don't know whether they can find, but you can still try it. When you hit on Tonaton, go into the search box also, hit on jobs, and you are going to see a lot of job offers, because just this done, I did a lot of research about that and I saw some. So there are some you will see charts. You can charge the company itself with the amount they're going to pay you a month. Some are temporary and some are permanent. So it depends on the one you want. You search for it and you can submit your application to online. But if you are able to, recognize or know where their office is in Ghana, you can also apply. If you are in Nigeria, you can also search and do that. But still, always I advise you guys to be safe, because social media is not that safe nowadays. I could remember how we used to live, some years back, and currently comparing it is crazy, guys. So I think this video is informative. And the third place where to find jobs is go to the company itself. If you know any company that is close to you, and I think that one is the best among all these social media job applications. Go straight to the company, submit the application. If you know the company's name and address, just put it in the application, package everything and submit it with your CV. So when they're going to call you, they are going to contact you straightforward, because they will go through your application. But this online application that you are submitting, you are not very sure that the application is going to the company owner, or is going to someone in the company who is a fraudster and try to take advantage of that, or him being in the company to dupe a lot of young Ghanaian citizens. So I think this video is gonna short one and it makes sense. I'm still your boy Habib Educate, and I thank you all for subscribing to the channel, because we've moved so far. The company, I said company, the channel is still growing. The channel is growing, and I really appreciate the effort of all my friends, right from United States, right from Ghana, right from Nigeria, right from Philippines and Australia, because that's where most of my subscribers and viewers are coming from. I really appreciate you guys, and I love you all. I think this video makes sense. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell icon, and support the channel. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I leave you in peace. Salam.